CTV5 investigation and frightening look at what can happen when a child is bullied and beaten at school. Who takes the blame? And who pays the medical bills when your child is badly hurt?
KCTV5 investigator reporter Emily Sinovic meets the family whose child was not only assaulted, they got stuck with thousands of dollars in medical bills.
A $17,000 bill to be exact, all from his son's trip to the emergency room after he was punched in the face over and over again at his locker at Bingham Middle School in Independence. How many times did you contact the superintendent's office?
I called on a weekly basis.
Every week?
I call them every week. Their attitude was just go away, hush. If we ignore you, we don't respond to you, you'll shut up and go away. As a father, a single dad, it hurt. I mean, I literally cried in my truck with my son.
His son James, a kind, usually quiet kid, a kid who his father says never picks a fight, and didn't fight back when another student attacked James at his locker.
And my son was trying to comfort me, saying, "Dad, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. I did the right thing. I did the right thing."
And there's video to prove it. James didn't start anything. Blair isn't allowed to see the video for privacy reasons. Yes, to protect the privacy of the kid who beat up his son. But the school resource officer did and detailed what she saw in a police report. The SRO describes in her report, juvenile suspect 1 strikes James with his left fist and then his right. But James, quote, doesn't strike back. And again, the attacker, quote, re-engages, strikes him with his left fist and then his right. James went to the school nurse, who noted James had a pretty good cut under his eye, a head injury, he was in pain, and had a headache and faint ringing in his ears. Blair says over the phone, the school nurse said he should take James to the doctor. When Blair came to pick up his son at school that day, he says it was pretty clear the school didn't care. He was stunned to see his son was standing outside alone.
To think that the staff left him outside alone. No one was there when I got there. No one.
But Blair went ahead, took his son to his primary care doctor, who told them to go to the ER. At Centerpoint Medical Center, doctors chose to run multiple tests to rule out any serious problems. And that added up. $12,000 for a couple CT head scans, more than $6,000 for another CT body scan, and another emergency room fee for about $1,600, totaling more than $17,000.
And they all go on about their life. I'm getting calls from collectors. I'm getting called from the hospital. My credit is being affected.
Blair felt stonewalled by the district. For 6 months, he kept calling the superintendent's office, asking for help paying this bill or holding the other parents accountable. But he said he got nowhere. So he went to KCTV5 for help. We started looking into it and went to the school district for some answers. A representative for Independent School District said she would look into it.
The call yesterday.
A few days later, Blair told KCTV5 the school district changed its mind and called him to let him know the district insurance would cover the bill.
And thank God for this, for KCTV5 and you. If I had not gotten in touch with you and you showed some interest and did some background investigation, I would have been another voice in the background with no assistance, suffering.
The Independent School District issued a statement in response to our request for information, reading in part, while the district cannot specifically address the false accusations about the district's response because of student privacy protection, we want to be clear that the district takes all reports involving the safety and security of our students very seriously. Missouri schools are not required to buy insurance or pay for medical expenses due to school-related injuries. The district purchases a basic accident insurance policy to help parents who may not have insurance or need to supplement their family insurance. The policy covers students at school and school sports and activities. To read the full statement, just go to our website at kctv5.com. There you'll also find more information you need to know regarding school privacy laws and insurance coverage that may vary by district. I'm Emily Sinovic, KCTV5 News.